Hello everyone, I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I thought I would do a little intro today because today's my birthday. So actually today is my birthday, the day that I'm recording this, April the 3rd. I love my birthday for some reason. I know as most of us get older, it's something that we don't like to do, but for some reason, I don't know. I turned 44 this morning and I'm very proud of being 44, and my life has been the best that it has been in a very, very long time. So happy at 44 is so much better than miserable at 33. So today, because it's my birthday, I'm using 4 of my favorite colors. I've done a couple of pieces in these 4 colors. I will link them somewhere along the lines in the cards. And I have been doing coasters on 4-inch gloss porcelain tiles. And that's what I'm going to do today. I'm doing blooms on coasters in my 4 favorite colors. So let's get painting. Hello everyone. Thank you so very much for being here today. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. And yes, this video is late. It is now into the beginning of June already. I was having some issues practicing my resining and did not want to try to resin these until I had the technique mastered. And as you'll see at the end, that I do not resin these coasters. I actually varnish them, and they turned out absolutely beautiful. I'm so glad that I did it the way that I did. I am so looking forward to sharing this video with you finally. Okay, and here are my colors. That was Mont Marte's Titanium White. This is DecoArt's Extreme Sheen Peridot. Pebeo's Prussian Blue. DecoArt's 24 Karat Gold. Amsterdam Sky Blue Light. And Amsterdam's Titanium White with 3 parts Australian Floetrol. Don't forget to head on over to Instagram, where you can follow me at anxiousamy_IG. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I will speed this up, add in some music. Enjoy the video.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, among all those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.